Alrighty, guys. Well, we're going home. Right down to South Florida. I got a Jeff Dunham concert I'm going to on Saturday. It's gonna be great. And yeah, I got just going home for the weekend. I'll be back Sunday. So it's gonna be good. I got Boo Boo, come here. Hello, come say hi. Why'd he come? Come here, give me some love. Oh, hello. Hello. We gotta stop and get some gas, get some food. I don't know if we're getting Taco Bell or Hardee's yet. Baja Blast does sound really good. So I think we're getting Taco Bell. Right? You want taco? No? Okay. Maybe Hardee's. I don't know. But we got a 5-hour drive ahead of us. And I'll just bring you guys when we get home. Alright? Y'all are gonna be like, ready for this? Okay. We're gonna fast forward. I get kind of dizzy sometimes when we do this, so if you get a little queasy, grab yourself a barf bag. But we're going back. Alright, ready? Here we go. We're gonna time travel. We're gonna skip 5 hours of our lives. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. We might have a problem here. You know, like Betty. I was on the way home. You know, time traveling machine. And the time traveling machine broke. I'm gonna roll the clip right now. But yeah, time traveling machine broke up. I don't even know where I am. Port St. Lucie on the turnpike. I'm in the damn rest area. And I got a tow truck coming to get me. They said they'd be here in 3 hours. So I gotta wait 3 hours. Well, Wiley's alright. Y'all wanna see Boo Boo? I'll show you Wiley. Alright. Wiley's alright. Hi, Boo Boo. We stuck on the side of the road. I know. I know. Look at her face. You're so sad. It's alright. The tow truck's coming. Is it bad I didn't tell the tow truck I had him? Oh well. We're gonna go ride in the tow truck, Boo Boo. Give me some love. Give me some love. Thanks, buddy. Thank yous. But I'll bring you guys back when the tow truck gets here. So, but yeah. There's the Florida Turnpike. Look, watch all the cars. Look at me. They go. Whoa, whoa. And I'm stuck here. So my mom, say hi, Mom.
No.
She's camera shy. So my truck, my truck is at Plantation Ford. It just got towed there from Port St. Lucie. Now I'm gonna go home, get something to eat, and go to bed. Right? Right. Wiley's in the back. Say hi, Wiley. Oh. The Jeep's so ratchet for the lights to be on. The door's gotta be open. It's alright. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Peace out. I just pulled up the SoFlo Retros. They built my headlights for my truck. We'll go say hi real quick. It's like 1 in the morning. I don't know if y'all can see this. Let me okay, give me 1 second. Let me give it some light. That says platinum. Custom LED lights by SoFlo Retros. That's what it gets you. It's what it gets you right here. Right here. This could be you. Hit up SoFlo Retros. Yo, SoFlo Retros. Hey, buddy. Say hi to the vlog.
1 in the morning and you're vlogging.
Say hi to the vlog, bro.
What's up, vlog?
These adventures.
Hey, why's your truck not here?
Bah.
What's up, boy?
Ooh, let's see. Ooh, sneak peek, sneak peek.
Let me get a little flash on these hoods real quick for you. Let me get a little flash on these. Hold up. I went open my camera on there.
Come on, bro.
Look,
Come
look,
on.
Look. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's shiny, right?
Shiny.
That'll hurt your eyes.
Ooh, yeah, that's a diamond.
It's a projector for a 6.7 right there.
6'7"?
6.7. Ooh.
That's 6'7". You got 6'7"? Everybody that doesn't know,
That's an F-150.
that's an F-150. It's just a base model XLT. It's got roll down windows. Man, I'm just kidding. That's the Platy. That's the Platy. So, we're here at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock in the morning. Came to see my buddy.
Doing surgery.
Yeah, look at him. We got his gloves on and everything.
Doing surgery over here on some headlights.
Surgery and some headlights, bro. Look at you, bro. Is this sterile?
Yeah.
You,
I'm filthy, dude. When you have to trim these and cut them.
dude, I look like cocaine, huh?
Yeah. It gets dust everywhere. Yeah, like it just...
Cocaine. Look at this. This is what he snorts cocaine with. Look at all that powdery substance. Look, I just touched it. Now my hands are all powdery.
Yeah.
Yo, the cops gonna think I do coke, bro. We're just gonna sit here and chill. I'll bullshit a little bit. Here's a punch bag.
You're pointing the camera at yourself. You have to point it at what you're doing.
Yo, mama got cookies?
We do have cookies.
We gotta be quiet. His mom makes the best cookies. The best cookies. The best cookies. Stella. Hi, Stella. Hi, Stella. The cookies. One for me, one for Nick. Shh, Stella, quiet. We out. We got cookies. Yeah, I got your cookie. Take a bottom cookie. Yeah, got your cookie. I'm sorry.
You track it?
Nah.
No, you didn't track it.
That's why I vlog with the GoPro. Cause I drop shit. Best cookies ever. The best cookies ever. And they're good?
Ooh, look at Z, baby.
This is my true love though.
What though?
Nah.
Dude, hey, check this out, right?
Cute gang, baby.
So me and the boys are ripping them. I let my friend ride this. It's not hard to ride. It's gas and go, that's it. No clutch, no shifting, no nothing. This dude, we're in the back of my neighborhood, hitting the rocks at like 11 o'clock at night, right? This kid tripped from the West Coast. Gets straight up whiskey throttle, right? I'm talking about
on the scoop.
I'm talking about like whiskey. I'm not talking about like he just like this thing don't really wheelie, right?
Yeah.
I'm talking about like I don't know how the hell like I don't know what he would do if he ever got like on a dirt bike or something. Like, a little bit of power. Like this is a fucking scooter. I'm talking about wow, like legs off the back, straight. Dude, I'm talking about bars like flinging, like getting like straight head shake. You know the backhoe back there?
Yeah.
That we blew up like 5 years ago?
Got piston?
Bro, it's still sitting there. Boom! Right into it. Bro, right into it, and he whoop, does the 360. And I'm telling you, the scooter was like teetering over the edge of the canal. Look, here. Knocked the mirror totally off, right?
Yeah.
Scuffed this up. My blinker's in.
Look at that.
And look at that. Dude, I'm talking about straight whiskey. It's just hanging off. It's just literally, like, look.
Bro, look at it. Look at it.
It's just sitting there. I'm gonna throw it back in there.
See, it'll buff out. It'll buff out. Maybe alright. Oh, good. But we just chilling here with SoFlo Retros. I'll put his, follow him on Instagram. I'll put his little thingy right here. I gotta learn how to do that first. But it'll be here, SoFlo Retros. Follow him on Instagram. You got a YouTube account?
Nick Hollinger.
Nick Hollinger. I'll put that up here.
My vlogs are way better.
I'll put Nick Hollinger here, SoFlo Retros here.
My Instagram, Nick_.
That'd be here.
Hollinger 10.
That'd be a cost in between eyeball to eyeball. Nick Hollinger _10. We'll give him a follow. Yeah. So that's today's vlog. I'll do the outro now. Blew up my truck. Came and saw SoFlo Retros.
Did it actually blow up? Is that what you
I don't know.
Bro, it's gotta be blown up.
But you saw how much white smoke that was?
Dude, there's something that's making your truck to keep braking.
Yeah.
Keep braking.
I know.
It's not just multiple problems that are.
There's one thing that's causing everything.
Yes.
Pissed. Alright, but here's the outro. Oh, y'all a little dirty. How'd my outro go again? Oh. Thanks for watching these adventures. I love you, and I'll see you next time.